Meaning of dinar.
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 Dinar. The term dinar refers to a monetary unit used in several countries in the Middle East and North Africa, including Algeria, Iraq, Jordan, Libya, Serbia, Sudan, and Tunisia. It is typically a gold or silver coin that has been used as currency for centuries in these regions. The word dinar comes from the Latin term denarius, which was a silver Roman coin. Today, the value of the dinar varies depending on the country where it is used, and it can be exchanged for other currencies on international markets.